A luxury wash basin with cabinet is an investment in comfort and style. It enhances property value while improving everyday usability. Thoughtfully designed wash basin cabinets contribute to a refined and organized living environment. As trends continue to evolve, the focus remains on simplicity, quality, and smart design. Minimalism combined with premium materials defines modern luxury. These wash basin with cabinet designs reflect that philosophy clearly. By observing the relationship between basin shape, cabinet finish, lighting, and backdrop, viewers can gain deeper design understanding. Each element plays a specific role in creating a balanced composition. Together, they form a cohesive and elegant bathroom space. Luxury wash basin cabinet designs are not about excess. They are about thoughtful planning, refined materials, and timeless appeal. Such designs remain visually pleasing and functional for years to come. This collection highlights how modern wash basin with cabinet designs can elevate everyday living. They combine beauty, practicality, and durability into a single well-designed feature. These concepts represent the future of premium bathroom interiors.